So the first question, please read along with me, and I hope that you have your PDFs open as well. Question is, the preamble functions as a constitutional compass enabling one to evaluate the foundational worth and vision enshrined in the Constitution. Examine. Coming on to the question, that is, the preamble functions as a constitutional compass enabling one to evaluate the foundational worth and vision enshrined in the Constitution. Examine. सबसे पहले जब भी आप क्वेश्चन को देखें, समझ लीजिए कि ये क्वेश्चन का ब्रॉड टॉपिक क्या है और उसके कीवर्ड्स क्या पूछ रहे हैं वो इस टॉपिक के अंदर, इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर। तो अब जब मैंने क्वेश्चन पढ़ा तो सबसे पहले मैंने प्रियम्बल को हाईलाइट कर लिया, बिकॉज मुझे पता है कि ये क्वेश्चन आया है प्रियम्बल वाले पार्ट से पॉलिटी के। सेकेंड चीज इज अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल कंपस enabling one to examine the foundational worth of the vision enshrined in the Constitution. Examine. ये पूछ रहा है कि किस तरह से preamble functions as a compass for the Constitution to evaluate the foundation, worth and vision. तो सबसे पहले तो मैं ये एक्सप्लेन करूंगी कि why is this question picked here. आप सभी को पता है कि जब हम पॉलिटी का फर्स्ट पार्ट पढ़ते हैं, दैट इज लक्ष्मीकांत चैप्टर 1 टू चैप्टर 10, उसके अंदर चैप्टर 4 इज अबाउट द प्रियम्बल। प्रियम्बल हमेशा से एक इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक रहा है। प्रियम्बल न्यूज में भी रहता है थ्रू वेरियस सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट्स। प्रियम्बल इज बेसिकली द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू रीड व्हेन यू ओपन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया, and it is an extremely important document to understand the vision and the mind of the constitution maker. तो इसीलिए क्वेश्चन भी यहाँ पे पूछा गया है सिमिलर कंटेक्स्ट में, दैट हाउ इज द प्रियम्बल फंक्शनिंग एज अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल कंपस, यानी कि हमारे डे टू डे कंटेम्प्रेरी ज्यूरिस्प्रूडेंस में, लेजिस्लेचर में और एग्जीक्यूटिव में किस तरह से प्रियम्बल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के फाउंडेशन को एग्जामिन करने में हेल्प करता है हमको। तो उसी का क्वेश्चन का इंपॉर्टेंस वहां से आता है। और अगर आपने पीवाईक्यूज देखे हैं, आप देख लीजिए ऑलमोस्ट हर साल आपको एक क्वेश्चन पॉलिटी में मिल ही जाएगा विच इज रिलेटेड टू द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ द प्रियम्बल, एंड दैट मेक्स दिस क्वेश्चन सो इंपॉर्टेंट because maybe the question here is written in the sense of a constitutional compass, but the answer and even the approach that I will share will deal with the preamble in general, preamble's importance, preamble's context, preamble's goals, preamble's aspiration, and that is an important content for you because in one way or the other I'm sure you will be using this in your exam. So topic is about polity pillar 1, which I said, that is the Indian constitution. Subtopic is preamble. PYQ pattern अगर आप देखें, discuss each adjective attached to the word republic in the preamble. Are they defendable in the present circumstances? And this is a PYQ of the UPSC. ये पूछा गया है बिकॉज प्रियम्बल में अगर आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे वर्ड मेंशन्ड है, उन वर्ड्स के मीनिंग, उन वर्ड्स के प्रेजेंट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, उन वर्ड्स के प्रेजेंट चैलेंजेस, उनके सिंबॉलिक इंपॉर्टेंस, वो सभी चीजें यूपीसीएम में हम पढ़ते हैं और इसी वजह से ये क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है। कमिंग ऑन टू द अप्रोच फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन, कमिंग ऑन टू द अप्रोच, फर्स्टली कमिंग ऑन टू द इंट्रोडक्शन, इंट्रोड्यूस प्रियम्बल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। बॉडी में हम preamble show how preamble serves as a compass to evaluate the foundational worth and vision enshrined in the constitution, then mention that despite the best of efforts all ideals of the preamble have not been realized, and finally conclude by highlighting the significance of the preamble. तो बेसिकली जो भी चीजें मैंने अभी आपको समझाई वही इस अप्रोच में लिखी हुई हैं। मैं आपको एक बार और डिटेल में समझाती हूँ। पूछ रहा है अबाउट द प्रियम्बल और किस तरह से प्रियम्बल हमको हेल्प करता है आज के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल इथोस को डिकोड करने में, समझने में। मैंने अभी बताया था सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट्स में रेलेवेंस रहती है प्रियम्बल की। प्रियम्बल हमें हेल्प करता है डिफरेंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल प्रोविजंस को ब्रॉडर ऑब्जेक्टिव के साथ समझने की, और किस तरह से दिस हेल्प्स इन डीलिंग विद द माइंड्स ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मेकर्स। तो आपको वही चीज उस टॉपिक में भी दिखेगी, आपको वही समझ आएगा कि वो क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है और वो क्यों ये क्वेश्चन उस वजह से पूछा गया है। तो जब भी आप आंसर स्टार्ट करें, यू ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विथ डिफाइनिंग व्हाट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड द प्रियम्बल इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मीन्स एंड हाउ विल यू कनेक्ट इट टू द मेन कीवर्ड्स आस्क्ड इन दिस क्वेश्चन, दैट इज द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल कंपस। मैं पूरा क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर डिस्कस नहीं करूंगी, आई विल go over it broadly and I want you to understand the major keywords that are used in this answer, and finally try to use this material as a source of value addition in the answer that you write. Preamble is a preface. Again, as I told you, it's a preface, it's a introduction, because Constituent Assembly 1948 1947 में बैठी थी It has been more than 78 years, 79 years since the constitution has been drafted, and possibly the people who have drafted the constitution are no longer present here in order to understand and explain the different provisions. So how do we understand the different provisions of the constitution with respect to a broader objective? That is where the preamble comes in. That states its ideals and objectives, offering a key to the mind of the constitution makers. Exactly the term which I had used here. It's kind of a key to the lock of the constitution. It serves as an introductory statement that outlines the core values, the guiding principles and the broad objectives of the constitution. मैं बस इस introduction में I want all of you to focus on the major words, the keywords that are used that you need to hit directly in your introduction for the examiner to see that you understand the significance of what the preamble means to the Indian Constitution. तो देख लिया आपने, यहाँ पे लिखा है key to the minds of constitution makers, ideals, objectives and guiding principles and the core values. Exactly आपको similar introduction लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can draft it in your own language, you can draft it in your own way. I am just saying that there are certain keywords which need to be present and I have underlined and highlighted those. I hope you understand. Coming on to what the body will want. The body is asking about the constitutional compass for evaluation of the constitution, foundational worth and vision. तो इसके बॉडी में आपको कुछ नहीं लिखना है, आपको ये लिखना है कि किस तरह से प्रियम्बल को सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने मे बी, प्रियम्बल को एग्जीक्यूटिव ने या प्रियम्बल को लेजिस्लेचर ने यूज किया है थ्रू डिफरेंट मे बी एग्जाम्पल्स, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल आर्टिकल्स या फिर द वर्ड्स दैट आर मेंशन्ड डायरेक्टली इन द प्रियम्बल इटसेल्फ to examine the foundational worth of the constitution. Just have a look here. Preamble is considered as the constitutional compass. We know that. It firstly describes the foundational ideals of the constitution, reflects the dreams and the ambitions, etc., etc. Preamble reflects India's aspiration to be a sovereign democratic republic. What is the first sentence that is mentioned in the preamble? We, the people of India, declare India to be a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic. So these are the aspirations of the country that India wants to be, and that is why it is important that that it is related to the question of foundational worth of the constitution or foundation vision of the constitution. Second point articulates the purpose of the constitution. It outlines the values, principles and objectives that the constitution aims to achieve. Right to equality, article 14 to 18, DPSPs, everything that is mentioned, the keywords which are mentioned in the preamble are automatically reflected in the vision and the provisions of the constitution as well. Third point reflects the collective will and the vision. What is the first statement that is mentioned in the preamble? We, the people of India. That in itself is a statement. Who is giving this constitution? Who is determining the governance structure and the institutions of India? We, the people of India. So that is why this becomes a point in itself. Interpretive tool of the constitution. You know, many a times whenever the Supreme Court is or the High Courts are in a dilemma with respect to the constitutionality of any provision, many a times it has used the symbolic words which are mentioned in the constitution to go along with it. All of us know that preamble is not a part of the basic structure of the constitution, but that does not mean that the preamble is a stagnant document or it is not used in the contemporary India, because it becomes like a source of guiding light for the jury to determine the constitutionality of a lot of provisions. And here only the example is mentioned, that is in an LIC consumer education case. The Supreme Court has mentioned that the preamble is an integral part of the right to livelihood under article 21. So this is an example. तो आपको इस डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर में पॉइंट्स के साथ साथ में you also get the example. This is the value addition that I was talking about. और ये value addition अगर आप मेंस के रिविजन के टाइम पे करेंगे तो आपको बहुत इजी हो जाएगा, बिकॉज एक क्रिस्प डॉक्यूमेंट में, in a document of 20 or 30, 40 pages, you have everything, all the important topics mentioned along with their value addition. Coming on to the next point, moral and philosophical guide. Preamble gives lawmakers, administrators and the judiciary in aligning actions with the constitutional ethics and ethos. That is just what I said right now as well. Example, debates on majoritarianism for freedom of expression, democratic and secular character, etc. So now we have completed this part, that is the first part of the question. But as I said in the first approach, when I was explaining the approach, you also have to mention some of the drawbacks of it. You also have to mention some of the lacunae or the challenges that India faces with respect to the preamble today. and that is what has been discussed here. You can quickly go through it. Preamble remains non-justiciable. All of us know that. Poor realization of the goals and principles. Some of the goals that are symbolic aspirations mentioned, for example, socialism or secularism, is not in a perfect state in India right now, and that is what is mentioned here along with an example. Fraternity remains a distant dream. In fact, we have more divisions and societal cracks have been emerging in India, and that goes against the ideal of fraternity and brotherhood, which is mentioned to preserve the integrity of the nation in the preamble itself. Threat to the unity and the integrity of India, which I mentioned as regionalism, left-wing extremism, patriarchy, insurgency, terrorism, all of this is a threat to India's unity and integrity, which is again a symbol or an aspiration which is mentioned in the preamble. And finally, we have the conclusion. The preamble is more than a ceremonial preface. Rather, it serves as the constitutional compass. Again, a keyword which is used from the question language itself. It's important that here and there in your answer, you do mention the keywords or the language of the question itself so that the examiner can see that you have understood the demand of the question. It's important. It's important for the examiner to make sense of your answer and to make sure that you have not drifted away from the question. Offering a moral and ideological direction to the Indian polity. Despite its limitation, preamble is a significant aspect of the constitution which acts as a guiding light to make India a prosperous and developed nation. You can always modify the conclusion as per your timing, convenience and everything. This is just a sample. It's not the perfect or the most correct conclusion. It's what it can act as a guiding light for you, just as the preamble acts as a guiding light for the constitution. So I hope this question made sense to you. I took extra time to explain this particular first question that we're discussing in this mentorship plan so that you understand how I'm going to deal with the questions coming here, my approach of teaching and everything. I know that sadly we are not in a live interactive session, but this is my best attempt that I could do with this question, and from now on I hope you get the gist. So we'll take lesser and lesser amount of time to deal with the next